Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I show you how to delete your Google account. But before we start, kindly subscribe to my channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, start with your browser, type www.google.com and click the sign in button. We need put your email and password and click next. After you sign in, click the circle image on the upper right side on the screen and click the Google account. In your Google account dashboard, click the data and personalization. Scroll down and select the delete a service or your account. And select the delete your account. Verify your password again and click next. All photo, video and other account direct to your Google account will be lost. Check the 2 square below and click the delete account button. Your Google account and all its data have been deleted.